Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find Instagram password and your username. So first of all, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and just to the top left side of your screen you can see your username. Mine is romik.dungana and you can find your username as well. Now once you've found your username, in order to find your password, it's quite tricky. So what you can do is go to the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. Now go to see more in account center option and then go to password and security. Now tap on saved login and then choose your Instagram account. Now if you toggle this bar, you won't have to remember your password. Every time you log into this device, you will be automatically logged into your Instagram account, meaning you won't need to enter your password. But if you really want to find your password, what you can do is, first of all, log out of your account. Now once you've logged out of your Instagram account, simply type in your username which you previously saw. After that, tap on get help logging in, and now you'll have to find your account. So enter your username or the email, or you could also use your phone number which is linked to your account. And once you've entered that, tap next. And now you can send an email, send an SMS, or you could also log in with your Facebook. For now, I'll simply choose send an email option, and now it will send an email to my mail address. So let's open our mail app. So this is the mail right here. And now tap on the option reset your password. Now you can choose a new password for your Instagram account which you can easily remember. So that's how you find your username and your password on your Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.